How to fix Rapair Lockout. Open fryer VC-210.
Hello guys, I'm your chef Atif Sheikh. We can fix today a repair lock. After changing the oil sometime when the machine is gonna 100 temperature or 110 Celsius temperature is coming pop up lock repair. We can press P and hold it, then we can press the code 3228, then we can scroll down number 10 option, you can see repair lock. Okay, when you see the repair lock option number 10, you have to press again P. Okay, then you can choose yes or no. You can choose yes, then again you can press P and then go again, scroll down, number 14, you see exit option. Again press P and your problem is solved. Hope you enjoy video. Best of luck. Thank you.